Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add color background to text on Instagram. If you're using Instagram and you want to add color background for your text on Instagram, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app and here just select the plus option, then you'll go to story page. And now on this section, you're trying to create a text. You just have to enter your text which you want to share as your own story. Let's say I'm going to select this one. Once I have entered, just tap on next option here. On this page, just tap on your text, and here you'll get the option of border type here. Just select that. Now your background for your text will be changed. Just select these colors, and you just have to select the color which you want to set for the background of your text here. Once you have done, just tap on done option, and your text is ready now. So in this way, you can easily add color background to text on Instagram story. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.